Hey y'all, come on in. I got carried away because my children is here. I almost forgot to show y'all most of this dinner tonight. I'm making my version of Alice spring chicken. And all it is, y'all, is some, I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken thighs or breasts. Sorry about that. Thighs or breasts. I chose to use chicken thighs because they're very tasty. I deboned them, took the skin off of them, and butterflied them. Now I'm pan frying them till they're done, because once I get them done, they're going to go into another pan and go into the oven. So all my kids are here. It feels like Sunday dinner, but it's not. It's Thursday night dinner. Everybody dropped in, so thank God I was planning a big old meal anyway. You all know me. I cook tons of food, so I'm using 2 pans to cook this dish so I can go ahead and get it done. These are just about ready. These are on their way. I season these with my usual seasoning. Tonight I used garlic powder, complete seasoning, some Gold Mountain seasoning, and of course black pepper. And I'm frying them in just some cooking oil. I'm just going to cook them for about 15 minutes until they get done. Then I'm going to take them and run them through the oven. And I'm going to saute some peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Going to go on top of that. And I'm going to put some honey mustard and some cheese. Stick them in the oven for another 15 minutes. And do some creamed potatoes, maybe a salad. Who knew? Anyway, this dinner is going to be done here shortly. So hang on. Okay, y'all, that chicken is just about ready to be put on the pan. I got my onions and mushrooms sauteing over here. I'm going to let that juice cook out of them. So once they get to the oven, they only have to stay in there about 15 minutes. So like I said, the gang is all here, honey. Where them little ones at? They're around here somewhere. I'll find them. So there's Tony and Lisa over there. Y'all turn that light on. Y'all got Lisa sitting over there in the dark. They're blowing up. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Tony's blowing up Maurice, one of his birthday gifts from last week, so he'll be here in a minute. Okay, y'all, making my honey mustard, or my brown sugar and mustard glaze to go on these Alice Springs. So it's just a 1.5 cups of brown sugar and a cup of mustard. Just mix it. Yum, yum, perfect. Be right back. Look who it is, y'all. Nari. I'm trying to cook. I ain't stunning you. I'm Nari. Now come on out of the kitchen, Nari, so I can finish cooking.
Go let, not excellent.
No, I don't need to see nothing. What it look like?
You know what you looking at? Come on, you don't want to see it. It's on my face. So you go
Where we going bowling? Oh my God.
You see how my face full right here?
Okay.
You see that light right there on my face? You see right there? You don't see that?
What happened though?
Fine, right. And you get it on the back of my head.
How did he get
You see that?
But how did he get to you?
Yeah.
Where was you at?
Sleep,
Oh, so where you? Oh, you was sleeping when it happened.
I think what it was, when I took out the coat, like the clothes, for the winter, they've been in there all this time. I didn't shake them. I didn't shake my coat. My coat that you put on, the coat that you wear for winter.
Yeah, but you ain't been in that place long enough for it to be.
That was back there where I come from.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So I bet you that's what probably happened. I put it on my thing, you know me. If it didn't, I probably did like that. Let's take a shot of the turkey.
What do you think was the spot?
You sure about that right there?
Yeah.
Ooh, honey. Now what you gonna do?
That's why I let my hair grow.
What did it look like?
Huh? Well, I did that because of the eczema. I let my hair grow because of the eczema. And start leaving little dry spots in my skin.
What are you taking for it? For your eczema, like, yeah, cortisone.
Yeah, cortisone. I'm just going to die to another day.
Oh my God, Tony, you need to stop. What?
Okay, y'all, there it is, creamed potatoes. My version of Alice Spring chicken. It has the chicken breast pan fried with mushrooms, onions, and cheese, and sweet, and not sweet and sour sauce, but honey mustard. And of course back there, there's my leftover for tonight, my lima beans. I had enough leftover for dinner, so got a lot of this, and got a couple more items and a couple of chicken patties for the kids in the oven. So for all practical purposes, this meal is finished. All the kids are here. We're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is a unexpected treat, but good thing I had lots of food already in the makings to cook. So this is what you have to do, honey. Keep lots of food going around. You never know when them children's going to show up to eat now. Okay, y'all, we will get ready to relax and enjoy this meal with some ice cold iced tea. So until I cook again, toodaloo. And remember, as always, keep those prayers going up, y'all, so the blessings will continue to come down. We had another bomb threat for a local high school here today. Please just continue to pray everyone's. Just pray for everyone, especially our children. They're seem to be getting more and more involved in these negative activities. So we're trying to pray them through some situations and hope that their minds will get geared toward growing up and being productive individuals. So just pray without ceasing, as the word asks us to do. Keep each other in prayer no matter what. Listen, and most especially, y'all, cook something good, invite somebody over, sit down, relax, and enjoy a good meal with someone. Sometimes that'll do it. Look, love you guys. Thank y'all for continuing to tune in. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Glad to have y'all aboard. Okay, until I cook something tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to say toodaloo. Love you guys.